In today's video, I'll show you how to block a number or unknown callers on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. Why block a number? When you block a number, that person won't be able to call or text you anymore. This is super helpful if you're dealing with spam, scam calls, or unwanted contacts. How to block a number on any Samsung phone. Open the phone app on your device. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. Tap on Block Numbers. You can see two settings to block spam calls to your Samsung device. 1. Block unknown or private numbers. At the top, you'll see an option to block calls from unknown numbers. Just turn this on, and your phone will automatically block those calls. 2. Manually block a number. You can block a number manually in 3 ways. Enter the phone number directly. Select from your contacts. Choose from your recent calls. Once you enter the number, tap the plus icon to add it to your block list. That number is now blocked. You won't receive calls or messages from it anymore. How to unblock a number on any Samsung Galaxy. If you want to unblock a number, go back to Block Numbers. Tap the minus icon next to the number. That's it. You'll start receiving calls and messages from that number again. So that's how you can block or unblock numbers on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Block spam and scam calls. You can also enable caller ID and spam protection. This helps your phone automatically detect and block spam or scam calls. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks.